As you know, vibration is a crucial and very powerful condition monitoring. That's why we include it with condition monitoring as the foundation for many maintenance advanced strategies, which is a proactive maintenance. Of course, there is different strategies for maintenance, and we will focus very briefly about these strategies. However, on the top of these strategies comes the proactive maintenance. That's why we will include vibration monitoring, condition monitoring with machinery vibration. As you know, vibration is widely used as a part of condition monitoring, but let me ask one question: how we can link the machinery vibration with condition monitoring? What do you think? Why these two discipline being integrated